Introduction to Expo Router for React Native and Web Applications. So we're going to look at an essential tool for developers working with React Native application, which is Expo Router. There are other routers for React Native applications, but this open source routing library is designed to enhance navigation in universal React Native applications built with Expo. So it provides integration across Android, iOS, and web platform that are seamless. So what is Expo Router? Expo Router, if you're familiar with Router, uh, it uses a file-based routing system. There are file-based routing system in in React Web. So what this file-based routing system in Expo Router simplifies navigation between screens and allows developers to use the same UI components across different platforms without any extra hassle. Essentially, when you add a file to the app directory, it automatically becomes a part of your navigation system. And this integration brings the simplicity of web development into the mobile and universal app space. Key features of Expo Router. So here are some of the key features that set Expo Router apart from other routers. This Expo Router is built on top of React navigation library. So this, by being built on top of this library, the navigation feels native and is optimized for each platform. So every screen in your app is automatically deep linkable, making it easy to share routes. And another capability that is powerful is the offline first capability. It ensures that your apps are always accessible with automatic updates when you publish a new version. Moreover, routes are optimized with lazy evaluation in production and deferred bundling in development. So with lazy evaluation, you are only loading what is necessary, so your app's performance will be better. And with deferred bundling, this will speed up the development process. Native integration. So the way Expo Router integrates with React navigation, it does so to not only maintain native behavior, but also enhance them. So by utilizing React navigation, this Expo Router will perform optimally and also takes advantage of platform-specific features and optimization. And this native integration ensures that users have a smooth and responsive experience. Shareability and offline first approach. So every Expo router powered app is shareable and accessible offline. So through the deep linking feature, each part of the app can be reached via a simple URL, which is great for user engagement and marketing. And oftentimes, whenever you have React app or web-based application, uh, the issue could be that the app is often not reliable or even not functional if there is no internet connectivity. But because Expo Router has offline first design, it ensures that your app is reliable and functional even without internet connectivity. And whenever there's a new release of your app, it will just update itself. Optimization and iteration. So optimization in Expo Router means that routes are only loaded when needed. This is due to lazy evaluation, and this optimizes memory and load time in production. So, and also during development, it will defer bundling, which means it will speed up the the development build process. So it allows for rapid iteration. Also, there is this feature like universal fast refresh and artifact memoization. They keep development fast and responsive across all platforms. Universality and discoverability. So this is something that Expo Router does well, which is providing unified navigation structure uh, for all platform, but at the same time, you can, if you need to, you can still tap into platform-specific APIs. So it offers flexibility when needed. On the web, uh, you can do static rendering, and this is really important for SEO because it makes your uh, content discoverable and uh, indexable by search engines. And universal linking capabilities ensure that users can access application from various entry points. So this really helps with accessibility and engagement. Conclusion, Expo Router simplifies development across different platforms, but also enhances overall functionality and accessibility. So in a different lecture and assignments, you will learn how to set up, configure, and use Expo Router. So it's going to definitely make better in terms of your app's performance and user experience. Thank you for listening.